Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix this is problem on your snapshot. We will just click here on settings, then we come here to this is window here like you say, and we will go down here to look to click here on apps. Then we just come here to this is window like you say, or apps window here, and we will go down here to looking for a snapshot app here, and this is window. We will go to found snapshot and we will click here on snapshot here, and this is a window, and we will come here to app info window and we will click here on for stop, and we will click here on ok, and we'll just click here on storage. Then we come to a storage window and we will click here on clear cache. Then we will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.